Here we're going to go through the different menu settings that are available to you through the menu button on the DMS LCD panel. One is your IP config. Here you can hit the set button and you can go scroll through and be able to change your IP configuration to be able to connect to a network on a building. Your next one is your indoor-outdoor. Here it shows how many indoor units have been connected to this system, then how many outdoor systems are connected. Here is the version of software that is in this DMS. Currently this one has 2.8.8.7. Occasionally we do have updates that come out to feature our new products. Here you'll be able to set the time and the date, so you'll go through and set time and date, and it's saved. Here's your time setting, and then you have data backup. This is very useful for once a DMS is set up. You'll insert an SD card in the bottom of the DMS, and you can hit data backup, and it will push that backup data into the SD card. So in case something happens to this DMS, you'll have the ability of loading in all the settings that are in it, or you can give that data to Samsung for further help if needed. Then you have peak level. This allows you to do a demand setting for the equipment to not allow it to use full energy. And then error status. You'll talk about the error status on outdoor and indoor equipment. Then of course the password reset. This is where you can reset the password from what has been done from setup to the default password of AC0530. And of course button lock. You can lock the buttons. Once you hit the set button, the buttons will become locked. And then safety halt, which is how you stop all the equipment. Then all the equipment is stopped at this point.
For service manuals and other documentation, please visit our website at samsunghvac.com or use our Samsung HVAC mobile app to download any technical documentation. Thank you.